24 out of 49, Hamilton on a black signature. Nice, Max Verstappen icon, aquamarine, 72 out of 79. What's up, guys? Turbo Attax 2025 Jumbo Box, India Edition. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is the Jumbo Box. It is an India exclusive. We've done one of these already. You've got some massive hits. There is a 1 in 15 chance to get a 1-on-1 in one of these India Edition Jumbo Boxes. So let's see what happens here. We're just running through the base packs real quick. Sometimes we see some cool stuff in there. Got a Lewis Hamilton icon. And nice. Right off the bat. Yes! Pink Max Verstappen diamond pole. Nice. Leclerc Tops Awards. That's why we check these base cards first, guys. That's a nice diamond pole of Verstappen right there on the pink. Supernova Behrman. Berger. Team card. Gasly. Team Dynasty. Hajar. Lawson. Bortoletto. Awesome. Constructors Kings. And Alonso on the Meat Mayhem. Lawson. So once in a while we can find some diamond poles, some pinks in here. Antonelli on these base packs, so it's always worth checking them out before we get to these crazy India Edition hot packs at the end here. Lando. Here we go. Fittipaldi. Red Bull Racing. Here we go again. Albon on the pink diamond pole. Beautiful. That's 2 pink diamond poles on 3 packs, guys. Good start. Sonoda, Stella, Science Victory Lap, Stroll, Stars of Tomorrow, Leclerc, and Albon Supernova. Hajar rookie, great year. Track card, Ferrari Boss, Alonso, Gasly full gas, Ocon, F2, Total Wolf. Nice Verstappen Tops Awards. Ollie Behrman Rookie Tops Awards, nice. Alright, so many good rookies this year, guys. Bortoletto, Hajar, all these guys. Lots of good rookie cards to collect. 2025, man. It's a good year to buy F1 cards. So many rookies. Sir Jackie Stewart. And Hamilton on the Supernova. Nice. Alright, Kick Sauber, Stars of Tomorrow. Oh, we got some here. Ooh, nice. Look at this, guys. Lando on the pink signature. Great hit right there. Great looking signature. Great card. Montoya. Constructor Kings. Nice, right into a Rainmaster Verstappen. This is a great pack right here. And an Ollie Behrman Rising Rookie. Another good rookie. Alright, speaking of rookies, Lawson, Hajar, more good rookies. Team Alpine. And Ollie Behrman, another great rookie. Nice, we got a Rainmaster Russell. These are awesome cards. Another great rookie right here, Bortoletto. F2. Mercedes. Prost. And Lando Supernova. Nice. F175, very cool card. Team McLaren. Oh, we got another pink, nice. Carlos Sainz, Podium Power. Nice. Hamilton Sprint Superstar. F3, F2, F3. Team McLaren. Possible World Champion car. And Christian Horner. We'll see where he ends up. Tons of pink, and we haven't even gotten to the good stuff. Piastri, National Pride, great card right there. The Hulk. Sainz. Alonso. F2, F3, F2. Nice Hamilton Tops Awards. And Verstappen 2024 World Champion card. And Bortoletto rookie card, Supernova, nice. All right, it's F3, track card. F3. Icons, F2. Nice, Rainmaster Hamilton.
Get in there, Lewis.
Love the Rainmasters. F3. Get killed with F3 here. Stars of Tomorrow. And Williams, not a great pack. Well, except for this Rainmaster, is pretty sick. Alright, F2, F3, Hakkinen, Andretti, F2, F2, F3, getting killed again with F2 and F3, Team RB, Fittipaldi, Leclerc, and Verstappen podium power. Constructors Kings, Team Ferrari, nice, Aston Martin, F2, F2, Oscar Sprint Superstar, Max Verstappen, Icons of the Grid, nice, Stars of Tomorrow, and we got Pink Alpine. Let's see if we can get one more pink. F2. I haven't gotten anything better than a pink in these base packs, so we'll see if that's a thing or not. Damon Hill, the Hulk,
Hülkenberg,
and Verstappen Tops Awards, and Hakkinen 100 Club. Alright guys, here's the good stuff, and you can tell it's good right away. We got a Hamilton 24 out of 49 right on the top, signature on the black. Pretty badass. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is where we're going to be looking for our 101 in this pack right here. So we're starting off strong. 24 out of 49 Hamilton on a black signature. Very sick looking card right there. Going into a Stars of Tomorrow. 34 out of 49. Nice. Nice, right into a Michael Schumacher. Very sick. Black Edge. Nice. Comes another Black Edge here. Bam, the Hulk. Scared me. I thought it was a Stroll at first. We'll definitely take the Hulk. Coming right into, looks like a Cranberry. Nice. Cranberry, Lando Norris, 48 out of 99. It's a very sick card. Right into another Lando Norris on the Cranberry, 71 out of 99. Podium power. We got Oracle Red Bull Racing, 67 out of 99 on the Cranberry. And we're getting into the blues. The Aquamarine, 48 out of 79, Team Haas. Nice, we got another signature. It's the Hulk, baby. 60 out of 79. Nice. Team Aston, 54 out of 79. Nice. Max Verstappen icon. Aquamarine, 72 out of 79. Beautiful. It's a great looking card, guys. Look at that. Right into our Lewis Hamilton Track Titan. Cool card. Hadjar Rookie Special Edition. Alonso Stroll Duos. Yuki Tsunoda Track Titan. Albon Special Edition. Gasly and Doohan Team or Duos. Ocon Track Titan. Kimi Antonelli Special Edition. Gasly Track Titan on the blue. Lando Special Edition. Hulk and Bortoletto Duos. 2025 Turbo Attax F1 cards, guys. India Edition Jumbo Pack. Not bad at all. See you on the next one.